Just released data suggests the J&J vaccine holds up pretty well against the Delta variant because so many fewer people have had the J&J shot than Moderna, Pfizer, or globally AstraZeneca. There's been less information available on just how well it works against Delta, and we still don't have data from trials or the real world on this variant and this vaccine. But what we do have now is a look at a lab study of the antibodies generated by the shot and how well they do against different strains. And the picture looks good. Against Delta, there was a reduction of 1.6-fold in the potency of the antibodies, compared with a 3.6-fold reduction against the Beta strain. That's the one first identified in South Africa. And that's good news because we know the J&J vaccine was good at keeping people out of the hospital in a trial in South Africa, suggesting it should do even better against the Delta variant, at least against severe disease. Now, on top of that, a second study just out shows the antibody levels from the J&J shot increase over time, providing protection out to at least 8 months. The new data are consistent with strong results we've seen for the other vaccines against Delta. A study from Public Health England showed the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine is 96% effective against hospitalization from the Delta variant, and the AstraZeneca vaccine, 92%.
It's all very consistent with the past performance of the vaccine. In every case where we have clinical evidence looking at actual patients who've been vaccinated and how protective the vaccine is, once again, we see the vaccines are protective.
So although Delta is scary because it is so much more contagious, we keep getting reassuring news that the vaccines work against it. Rahel?
So, Meg, no boosters needed then for people who did get the J&J shot?
Yeah, the CDC has said there aren't data to suggest that people need boosters. Still, folks like Angie Rasmussen, the virologist that we talked about, just a couple days ago on the show, say she got it because she's worried about transmission of the Delta variant. And in this case, even though the antibody data are good, it doesn't necessarily say the J&J vaccine is going to stop transmission there. And so she still feels good about getting that mRNA booster with the Pfizer vaccine, but it is not something that the CDC is recommending folks do. And we do see that you should have good protection against severe disease against the Delta variant with the J&J shot.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.